हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है योजना एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं आपके लिए कुछ 4 बहुत सुंदर ड्रेसेस लेके आई हूँ विच आई एम इन लव विद देम। और ये प्योर कॉटन की बनी है, ब्रीदेबल फैब्रिक है। यू कैन वेयर देम, यू कैन अपस्टाइल देम फॉर इवनिंग्स और यू कैन वेयर देम फॉर ब्रंचेस और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट और फॉर गोइंग आउट। मैं सभी ड्रेसेस के लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी। द फर्स्ट ड्रेस दैट आई हैव इज दिस वन। It's from Curvy Street, or it has this beautiful, if you can see it, it has this beautiful detailing. बहुत सुंदर डिजाइन है and look at this detailing. It's a beautiful shade of green. It's not really मेहंदी green, it's not really olive green. उनके बीच में कहीं है और ये प्योर कॉटन का है, तो समर के लिए this is one of the best options. Soothing for summers, मतलब you cannot go wrong with this. The next one I have is this tie and dye dress in blue color. It has this vertical paneling of white, जिससे आप और tall लगते हो. So if you are curvy and small, I'm 5'3", not really small, but if you are curvy and small like me, you can opt for this dress. It's vertical lines make you look pure taller, and I wear it with a belt. You can wear it with a belt or without a belt, and it comes till your midi size में है, so it comes till your calves and it looks very beautiful and it's a very pure cotton fabric, breathable fabric. ये pure cotton है and this tie and dye, तो I love it. ये इतना सुंदर है and it never goes out of fashion. It's always in. You can wear it in 2 ways. I'll show you both ways later on. And summers के लिए this is perfect. I'm gonna live in it. मतलब ये इतनी सूदिंग है, इतनी सिंपल, इतना प्यारा कॉटन कलर है, ये कॉटन का कपड़ा है, सॉरी। ये समर्स में दिल्ली में स्पेशली with this temperature rising to 40 to 43 degrees Celsius, this is just a savior. And it's a combination of blue and there's obviously tie and dye है, तो कहीं black, blue and white and has stripes. It makes you to look taller and because the stripes are vertical. So short and curvy girls, this is one of the best options I have for you guys. The next dress is this beautiful color of sky blue. It's not really sky blue but kind of sky blue. It has this ruffles जो side में है on the sleeves and the same on the other sleeve also. It also has ruffles नीचे on the hem of the dress, which makes it look very pretty, very feminine, and it has a collar neck जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, and it has, oh, this one does not have pockets but still has my, this is not really जैसा कॉटन हमने अब तक पहना था वैसा कॉटन नहीं है, but this is a very breathable fabric. मतलब summers के लिए it's very perfect. It has this button detailing. It has ruffles on the hem of the dress नीचे, और ये इसका कलर है, it's a light sky blue color, और this is how it looks. इसमें button detailing है and it's very pretty. The color is very pretty. गर्मियों के लिए again it's very soothing, it's very breathable fabric. This is the dress I was talking about. It's a cut sleeve dress. Look at the detailing of the flower on one side. मतलब मैंने जैसे ये फ्लावर देखा and the way it's made, I just fell in love with this dress. मैं थोड़ी सी कॉन्शियस हूँ अपने आर्म्स को लेके, अपने आप को लेके पहनने के लिए दिस फैब्रिक में, but still it's a very pretty. I could not stop myself from buying it. It's such a lovely dress. ये आपको, because it's cinched from the waist, it gives you a very structured look and it has cut sleeves, of course you can see. और एक तरफ इसमें there's a string on this side and you can adjust it according to yourself. It has chain on the side, so when you wear it, मतलब ये proper आपको definition देता है. It has a pocket on this side. Again, anything with pockets is a go for me. This is one of the best dresses I've seen. This is how it looks. It's pure black. It has this flower detailing on the side दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स. और ये प्योर कॉटन है और ये इतनी सुंदर है, मतलब आई विश मेरे अंदर वो कॉन्फिडेंस होता. बट दिस इज वेरी प्रिटी. If any of you do wear it, please tag me. My handle on Instagram is at the rate Zindagi Unfiltered. Please do tag me wearing this dress because I just love it. I will live vicariously through you guys. आपकी waist को ये इतने अच्छे से यहाँ cinch कर रहा है. मतलब the way this is holding is just amazing. Of course ये black color है तो थोड़ा सा गर्मी में थोड़ा सा सोचना पड़ता है पहनने से पहले. But still, for an evening out with your friends or for dinners or for dates, this is one of the best dresses you can wear. Sare links have been tagged in the description box. Please go check them out and please like, share and subscribe.